Hi guys, hi everyone, hello, it's Carla, it's Crafting with Carla, and in today's episode I have a really fun project for you that I think will make you really happy and help you feel like maybe you're not so weird after all, and that maybe you're normal like everyone else, but like in a better way because you're you. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make a permission slip, and a permission slip is you remember permission slips from school when you were held captive in school by society and societal expectations, and then sometimes your parent or guardian got to sign a form and it gave you permission to leave the school prison so that you could do something slightly fun. And so today we're going to make you're going to make your own permission slip, and you're going to give yourself permission to do whatever you want to do. And so let's begin. So first you need a piece of paper, and this is like a thicker piece of paper like cardstock, and I chose pink because I like it. And first what we want to do is write permission slip in the middle really big, so that we can hang it up on the wall and look at it and remember, like it's okay to be an adult with agency who is allowed to function in society. So first let's choose a color. I'm going to choose blue. And in the middle we're going to write in very big letters, permission slip. Permission. It's funny how it says it's miss, but it's really shh. It's a secret H. Permission slip. That's really good. Let's make a little, oh yeah, I like that. Permission slip. That's beautiful. And then let's choose another color. I'm going to choose blue. And we can just write some of the things that we want to give ourselves permission to do. Because sometimes in life we don't feel like it's okay just to be ourselves. Many people, especially women, maybe men, I don't know, they feel like they can't be themselves, that they have to fulfill this role that somebody else laid out for them, and it feels really uncomfortable and awful and icky, and it leads to depression and suicide, and we don't want to do that. Excuse me. So let's give ourselves permission to be ourselves. So let's make that. I'm just going to write some in a circle around this. So permission to always be myself. Always be myself, no matter what. No matter what. Even, I'm feeling a little anxious because just the idea of being myself, no matter what, that's a little scary. Even though many people think I'm weird. I said it, I'm a little weird. But I just gave myself permission to just be myself, even though some people think I'm weird. Excuse me. What's another thing we can give ourselves permission to be? Permission to heed my intuition when it screams at me to leave my husband instead of foolishly believing it will ever get better. That's a really good one. This permission might save my life. Let's see, what else? What's another thing I can give myself permission Excuse me. Permission to do. I know. Permission to say what I really think and feel without all the emotional labor of figuring out the exact right words, tone, and time to say it. Oh, that feels really scary. This has gotten me in trouble a lot before with people who think I should just obey all the time and not be a real human being. But I want to have permission to just be a full human being and say what I really think and feel without being afraid all the time. And we have some space here. So you have a choice. You always have a choice. You can write a fourth thing, and a fifth thing, and a sixth thing, and a seventh thing, and an eighth thing if you want. Or you could leave this spot to write like your signature. Because most permission slips are not valid until they have a signature. So I'm going to do that. I think that will make it complete. So let's choose another color. I'm going to choose blue. And I'm going to make the line that I sign on. I'm going to write signature. Oh, and date. These things always have a date. And so, actually, I'm a little nervous about putting my full name on the internet. All right, Carla, you already know my name is Carla. Carla. I'm really nervous about somebody finding out about this, so I'll just put Carla, last name withheld. Is that 2 H's? I don't know. And then the date, you know what I want to write? I want to write forever. Oh, I hope so. Anyway, that is how you make a permission slip so that you could feel safe to be a full human being like you should feel all the time. So I hope that helps, and I hope you have a really good day. Okay, bye-bye.